Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from Tootylicious, which you can find online. Today I'm going to teach you how to create cream for strawberries. Let's get started. So I have whipping cream here, and I'm going to pour a cup in. And then you turn your beaters on. Okay, so here's our finished product. And it takes about between 7 and 8 minutes to beat the cream in the mixer. And this is what we have. I added in a teaspoon of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. So here's our strawberries here. And this is just a really good dessert, and it's really light. So you can do the strawberries, add a little bit of the whipped cream, maybe put some graham crackers or some cinnamon cookies or vanilla wafers or something like that to give you a little additional texture. And as always, pound cake, so you can make a strawberry shortcake or angel food or chocolate cake or brownie. You know, there's a lot that you can do with these two things because they just go so well with everything. And then you just put some cream on there. So there you go. That's how you make cream for strawberries.